Now that I've had my solder bookcases for quite a few years now, I've decided to upgrade even more and get another one. I just keep buying these because they're such nice, high quality bookshelves. I'm gonna show you a close up. I really just like all of the extra features. They just look so nice, especially with this extra molding up at the top, down at the bottom, and all the different shelves. Now this you see here are the 5-shelf bookshelves. We have a 2-shelf over here. I've done reviews on ones that are the 3-shelf. I have some of those as well, but I would highly recommend these. They're pretty easy to build. They're really sturdy. Like I said, I've been using these for quite a few years now. They look really nice. And of course, they do exactly what they need to and store a ton of books, especially the 5-shelf ones. Highly recommend if you're in the market for nice looking, durable bookshelves.